Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, in this tutorial, we're going to make Google Chrome as a default browser. So whenever we open our email like Outlook or Mail app on for Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, we want Google Chrome to open any link. Whenever we click on any links, it should open Google Chrome as default browser. So how we can do that? Once we make Google Chrome as a default browser instead of Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Because sometimes when you click any link and it opens the Microsoft Edge for you and you want Google Chrome to open as a whenever you click anywhere. So for that, you just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And once you're here, at the left hand side, you have many options. It will work same as Windows 11 and Windows 10. So procedure, the steps will remain same. So at the left hand side, we have many options and we need to go to this apps section and I'll click on that. And here we have apps and features, default apps, offline maps, and we need to click on this second option, default for file and link types, other defaults. So I will click on that. And here we need to scroll down and you can simply search here. Search app, I'll just type Chrome and we have found Google Chrome here. So here we have this arrow icon at the right side. We will just click on that and you will find make Google Chrome your default browser, set as default, set as Google Chrome as a default browser. So I'll click on set as default and set default file types for link types. You can select HTML from here. You can also change to any other browser. I'll select Google Chrome as HTML to open. For HTML, HTML, for PDF, we want PDF to open. If you want your PDF files to open in Google Chrome, you can select that as well. And that's it. You don't have to make any changes in rest of the things. The only things which we important is set as default, HTML, HTML, PDFs. Rest you can check it out for yourself and select Google Chrome if you want to do that. So that's all. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. And guys, if your Google Chrome is running slow, there is a tutorial just after this video and it will be very helpful if your Google Chrome is loading very slow. So that will fix by very few simple steps and you will enjoy it. Have a wonderful day. Take care.